Next, we will describe how DIAEAP to show the log if your device has some problem. You can check the log, and here we use the PLC this, and you can see here you have the device ID here. You can copy it and go here to log explorer, and you also can use the product tree here to explore to find the data. And here we have the builder and code. Code means you write code to search the log, but here we just demo the builder. And builder, you can add some inquiry trigger conditions. Here, like we will use the line filter and line condition, and we will put the device ID here to search. And here is too long, so we will leave the drop and the body net. Here we choose the this is the code of PLC connection, so you can require again. You can see the data, and here you can see I use the drop and the EAP communication PLC device, and put you here add the line content and put the data. You can use 12 hours to require. You can see here, you can see the device ID inside. And it's different from if you Control F, put the device ID here, because the Control F, you will show all, not only this device ID event inside, but if you use line content, it just shows the PLC loader, the line ID's event. And then you go to here, the backup management. You can see here the DIAEAP.Log. Too many. You can go to the log extra to clear the log interval period. We will introduce the log function, how to the label filtered. And first is the drop, and drop content next base and app, and here EAP. You can see this one. This is the app. This is namespace. EDA is namespace, and this is app. You can see here is the app communication PLC drive, and this like namespace like a file name, and this is the code file, and the code file maybe have many code inside. This means container, but now the app just one container inside, so it's the same. And the POD is it just can check the container if have this POD inside. And next one is the APP. We often use the communication PLC, this one. And maybe if you use CFX, you can use this. And also maybe MongoDB or other function you can use. And if the data is so too many, you can make more condition filtered, that the data not so many inside. And here is an example here. If I copy this IP, I copy this device ID and go here, and I change the border and give the line filter line contents and put the device ID and query. You can see here. And if my PLC change the data, you can see like this. If I change the flag, I change to 30. And you go here to require, you can see the data. If I change the data again, 40. You can go to search again, and you can check the communication period time in this. And also if our PLC is disconnect, here I plug up the cable, and here I write the data 50. You can see the data can write inside because my PLC is not connected now. And you will show HNI write field. And if you can write the data, you need to check the log, and you can go here to add a filter conditions. You can write HNI write and query again, and it will show the PLC is connect fail, so you can check, go to the device and check the connect test, and that's the data you need to go to your device to check the connections. Maybe the cable is not connect, so you can plug the cable again, and you connect again, and you write the data. You can see you can go back and put the connection here and retry again, and you can see the HMI reconnect again, connect the device. And if you didn't how to see the log, you can click this download, and it will download log file, and you can give your description or delta and RD, and then can tell you why your device log not connect. And this is for all the DIA EAP